Hello everyone, in this video let us study about the operations on the hexadecimal numbers. We have already dealt with the operation on the octal numbers, binary numbers. So here we have the table here, that is for the hexadecimal addition. We will look into that. Before that I will just brush up your concept of the hexadecimal system. Okay, so here the base is h, that is 16 and the values which are allowed here will be 0 to 15. So this 10 to 15, it will be represented by the alphabets, English alphabets A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and here we have till 9, we have the normal single digit values, numerical values. Okay, so this is about the hexadecimal system. So now what happens if we perform addition on the numbers which are containing these values? Okay, so let us see here. When 0 is added with 0, 0. Obviously, when you add anything with 0, you are going to get the number itself. So, first row, you will have no confusion. Next 1. So, 1 till E, it is okay. 1 till E. E is nothing but 14. So, when you add 14 to 1, it will be 15, which is equivalent to F. Okay, so here we have F. So, next what happens when you add 1 with 15? You are going to get 16. But I cannot write 16 in the table. Okay, you can say 6 is allowed, 1 is allowed digit, but still why are we not writing 16? We can't, because we know the counting of hexadecimal numbers. I've already dealt with it in the previous video. So after F, what happens? See here, from 0 to F we write as it is. After this, you know how to count this. You will be resetting this column to 0. You will be adding 1 to this previous column. Previous column means here everything is 0. So I will be adding that. So that is 1, 0. So do we have 1, 0? Yes. Similarly, 2 to D, it is okay. 2 to E, 2 plus E, again it is same thing, 1, 0. After 1, 0, what you will have? 1, 1. That is written here, 1, 1. Okay. So this table is showing all this addition of the numbers. But you know the rule actually which is to be followed, because I have already told you about the rule. Okay. So next, we will be taking some examples here and we will be trying to solve it. Okay, I will tell you the techniques which are used to solve this hexadecimal addition. So 413, when added with 513, what will you get? So you can see 3 plus 3 is 6, obviously 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2, yes, it is less than 16, I can write. 4 plus 5, 9, yes, it is less than 16, I can write. So this is 926H. You have not faced any such difficulty while solving this particular problem, because whatever you were adding, the result was less than 16. But what happens when you get the result as greater than 16? Okay, we will take some problems. So this is directly, it can be solved. Okay, or else you can use another thing, that is converting this to decimal. Add it, you will get a decimal number. Convert that decimal again back to hexadecimal. That you can do. You know how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. You have to multiply the weights. Here what will be the weights? You know, you will be starting from right to left. So this is 0. You will be having positive powers. This is 16, 1. This is 16 square. If you had the hexadecimal point, here you will be having negative powers of 16. Okay, so convert this to decimal, then you will get the answer, convert it back to hexadecimal. So now let us take another problem here, that is 4A6 with 1B3. Now you can see what happens. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is less than 16. So I will write it as it is. A is 10. B is 11. So if you add these two, you are going to get 21. 21 is greater than 16. So now what you have to do? You have to use the technique that we have already used in the octal, binary and the decimal system. If you are getting 20, how can I write 10? In the decimal system, I can write 10 into 2 plus 0. Right? Likewise, here what I can write, 21, I have to write it in terms of 16. 16 ones are 16 plus 5 is 21. So whatever this is there, plus 5, plus after plus whatever it is there, it will come here. 5. Then whatever it is here, you are multiplying with 16, that goes as carry. That goes as carry. 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Once again 6 is less than 16. I can write as it is. So this is 659 hexadecimal. So now let us see if it is right or not. For that technique, what I will use is, instead of decimal, I will take the binary now. You know, hexadecimal digit, it will have equivalent 4 binary digits, right? Suppose if you have F, you will have F as 1111. E means 1110. You have to remember that table. Okay, so what I will do is I will convert this number to binary and I will add it. Okay, so what is 4? It is 0, 1, 0, 0. What is A? It is 1, 0, 1, 0. What is 6? It is 0, 1, 1, 0. Next I will add 1, 0, 0, 1, and here B, it is nothing but 11. So 1, 0, 1, 1. What is 3? It is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, you have to, if you don't remember, please refer to the table. So now I will add this. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. How is 2 represented in binary? You know, 1, 0. So I will take 0 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, once again it is 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is represented as 1, 0. So 0 here, 1 carry. So again it is 1. This is 0, 1 carry. 0, 1 carry. So 1, 0. So now again you have to group 4 bits and you have to write the equivalent hexadecimal digit. 0110 is 6. 0101 is 5. 1001 is 9. 659. Is it same? It is same. So I can use the binary system, that is to verify if the answer is right or not. Or else you can convert it to decimal and you can check it. Okay. Next. So this one is done. This one is done. So now you can see here you have 4 values. Okay. You have 4 values. So now let us solve this. 6F point DE. You need patience while solving this. Write it below to below. Okay. C4.82. 7 is here. 7.A4. EC.7. Okay. So now you can, okay, E is 14. So 14 plus 2 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 is greater than 16. So it can be written as 16, 1s are 16 plus 4. So for this value, I have to write here, I have to take this as carry. So what is D? D is 13 plus 8. What is A? It is 10. What is 7? 7 itself. And one more, you have carry from the previous one. So 13, 8, 21. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 7 is 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. Once again, this is greater than 16. So in this case, what I will do, I will write 16. I will not take 16 ones because now we have the nearest value, 16 twos are 32. So 16 into 2, what is remaining? 7 is remaining out of 39. So this I can write here. This I can take as carry. Okay. So now once again, 2, you have 2. F is 15 plus 4 plus 7 plus what is C? It is 12. 2 plus 15 is 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 28, you have 40. 40 is greater than 16. Once again, 16, 3 is 48, cannot do. 16 2s are 32 plus 8. So 8 I will write here, 2 I will write here. So this point it will be carried here, okay. So 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus C is 12. What is E? 14. 20, 34. Once again I can write it as 16 to the 32 plus 2. So 2 is here, 2 carry, same thing is followed down. So 228.74 hexadecimal value. So this is the answer. You can verify it by converting it to binary, decimal or whichever method is easier to you. Okay, so we are done with this problem also now. So this is all about the hexadecimal addition. Okay, just you have to see whether the result is greater than 16. If it is yes, then you have to follow this method, 16 into x plus y, this method. Then you have to take this as a carry. This you can write it in the result. Okay, so next we will go to the hexadecimal subtraction. So they have told you start with the least significant digit. Least significant digit is if you have 5 and 3, this is your LSB, this is your MSB. So you have to start with the least significant digit, and if it is not, if you are not able to subtract, suppose if this is greater than this one, so in that case you have to take the borrow. That is from the previous digit. Okay, that I will explain you how to take the borrow and what it is equivalent to. Okay, so now 513, 312. So this can be subtracted easily because here it is greater than this, it is equal, here it is greater. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 201 hexadecimal value. So you will not face any difficulty while subtracting this type of numbers. Now you see 602. Okay, now we will take this. Okay, so now we will take 602 minus 1a. Okay, 1a. So now you can see a is 10, equivalent to 10, which is greater than this. So what I can do? I cannot subtract 10 from 2. So I will take a carry from this. Can I take a carry from 0? That's not possible. So what I will do? I will take the carry from here. When it is giving carry, it is reduced by 1. So this becomes 5. So now this is giving carry to this. Okay. So that means what happens? It is giving 16 to this. Carry of 1 or a borrow of 1 is 16. So it is giving 16. So now we need a borrow for this. So this will give the borrow to this. So this will get 1. So this is subtracted by 1. It becomes 15. This is getting 1, which is equivalent to 16. So 16 you have to add with the digit which is present 2. 18. So can I subtract now 18 minus 10? Yes, it is possible. So now I will write 8. So now we have got 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14. So what is 14? E. Now here we have 5 as it is. Understood the technique? So I took these values because sometimes you won't be able to solve when you are getting 0 in the middle, and when you have to take a borrow, you have a 0. So what you will do? You will be confused. So it is same as in the case of the decimal system where you were giving carry and suppose you are having 0, it was taking carry which was equivalent to 10, it was giving borrow to this, so this was subtracted and you were getting 9. Okay, the same method we are going to follow in the hexadecimal, but here 1 borrow is equal to 16. Okay, 1 borrow is 16. So here it is given to 0 first, next again it is given to 2. So when 0 has got 16 value, when it is giving a borrow, again you have to subtract it. So it is left with 15. Okay, so you have to subtract it. So this is the method. So now let us take the last problem, that is 11.3 minus 5f. So pause this video, try to solve it by yourself. Okay, so now you can see here you have a hexadecimal point. Even though you have hexadecimal point, you have to start with this digit. You have to start from extreme right. So now 3 is less than 15. So we cannot subtract this. So what I will do, I will take the carry from here, borrow from here. So this becomes 0. So this has got the borrow of 1, which is equivalent to 16. That means I have to add these two. 19 minus 15, 4. Okay. This point will be carried as it is. So now it is 0. I cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what I will do, I will take a borrow from here. So that will be 16 once again. 16 minus 5 is 11. B. Okay. So this becomes 0. Okay. So this is the answer. So now to verify that, what I will do, I will take 1011.0100, this one. I will add with this 1111.1111. This is 1100100001. Okay, so this is 3 point, this is 1, this is 1, right? So we have got 11.3, 11.3. So this is the verification. I added these two to check it using the binary system. So we got the answer. Okay, so this is the method that you are going to follow in the subtraction. Next we are going to hexadecimal multiplication. For this again you have the table. See, 1 into 1, 1, whatever you are going to multiply, you will be getting the same thing. First row is same. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 10 is represented as A, 2 6s are 12, C, 2 7s are 14, that is E, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. But can I write it as 16? No. How are you going to represent 16? After F, I am going to have 1 0. So this is 1 0. So 2, you are going to have 2 9s are 18. So can I write it as 1 0? So after 1 0, what you will be having? You can write it 16 1 0. Next you will be having 1 1 1 2 1 2. So 1 2. So 20. What you will be writing 20? 1 3 is for this. 1 4 is for this. So 1 4. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. Okay, that is, you have to use the help of counting of hexadecimal numbers. Counting of hexadecimal numbers. That is, after F, you have 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. So next 3. 3 8s are 24. How will you write 24? See here, 3 8s are 24. It is written as 18. Okay, so easy method is 16 into 1 plus 8. So take this, write it down. Let us check for some other value. Whatever you have, 3 into C, 12, 36. So what you have? 16 2s are 32 plus 4. Can I write it as 24? So check this. 3C24, right? This is the same thing. So to convert it, when you are using multiplication, so better use this method. Okay, whatever we were following there in the addition, the same method, 16 into x plus 5. So whatever x and y, write it as xy. So that is converted. Okay, that is converted. Next, if you want to check another thing, you can write 7 5s are 35. So how can I write? 16 into 2 plus 3, 23. 7 and 5, 23. Is it right? 23. Yes. So this x and this is y. Combination of that. Okay. So now let us deal with some problems. So CB into A2. CB into A2. 2 into B is 11. 2 into 11, 22. I cannot write 22 here. It is greater than 16. So 16, 1 is 16 plus 6. So this I have to write here. This I will be taking as carry. 2 into 12. 24 plus 1, 25. How can you write it in terms of 16? 16 plus 1, 9. So write 9, 1 carry, but it will be written here because you have no other digit. Next, 10 into 11, 110. How will you write? 16, 6 are 96. 96 plus 14, 110. So what is 14? It is E. What is 6? It is carry. So 10 into 12, 120, 126. So you have 16. Can I write it as 7? It is 112, right? 112 plus 14. Once again, E and 7. So add it now. 9 plus 14, 23. Once again, it is greater than 16. So what I can write? 16 ones are 16 plus 7. So 7. This is carry. I will take it as carry. 2 plus 14, 16. 16 it is represented as 1 0. So write 0, 1 carry. 8. 8076. Okay. You can also convert this to decimal. Okay. You can convert it to decimal and then you can convert the product once again back to the hexadecimal. So this is the method you are going to follow. First multiply 12 into 2, 24 greater than 16. Follow the method. Write this here and this n will be always taken as a carry. In addition also, in multiplication also. Okay. Then add this using the hexadecimal. So this is your homework. You can solve it by yourself. 4A6 and 1B3. So this is 13 point. Okay, this is 13.2, A.2. So I will tell you the technique 13.2 and A.2. However, you were seeing in the decimal, right? 20.4 into 11.2. You were writing answer something like X, Y, Z, A, B, C. And after that, this one digit, this one digit. So after 2 digits, I am putting my decimal point. Here also same thing. First, without the hexadecimal point, perform the multiplication 132 into A2. Then you see how many digits are there. Then leave that many digits and put the hexadecimal point. Okay, so that will give you the answer. Otherwise, everything is same. Okay, you are going to follow the same procedure. Next. Okay, so this is 13.2 into A.2. So if you want, I can solve this and I will show you. (132) into A2. 2 2s are 4, right as it is. 2 3s are 6, as it is. 2 1s are 2, as it is. 10 into 2, 20, greater than 16. So I can write it as 16 into 1 plus 4. So this I will write here. This I will take it as carry. Okay, this is carry. Next, 10 into 3, 30. Sorry, what I did, 10 to the 20, I wrote 4 and carry is here, not here. It is here. Okay, I took in carry. So 30, 31. 31 is greater than 16. So 16 into 1 plus 15, 31. So 15 is F. This one I am taking as carry. So once again 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 I can write as it is, B. So now add this 4, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is A. 15 plus 2, 17, greater than 16. So 16 into 1 plus 1, 17. So 1 and 1, this is C. C1A4. Now I am going to put the hexadecimal point here. Okay, C1.A4. This is the method. Next, let us go to the hexadecimal division. So, whatever the divisor is there, first write the multiplication table of the divisor. Otherwise, it will be going to be tedious for you. Suppose this is 12. What I will do is I am going to write the multiplication table. Till 10 I will write. I am not going to write the decimal values, but I will write the hexadecimal values. This is as it is. See, 12 2s are 24. 24, it can be written as 16 into 1 plus 8. So, I told you X and Y, 1 8. 1 8. 12 3s are 36. So 16 2s are 32 plus 4, that is 24. 12 4s are 48. So 12 4s are 48. 48. 16 3s are 48 plus 0. So 30. 12 5s are 60. 16 into 4 is 64. 16 3s are 48 plus 12. So this is 3 and 12. So 3, 12 is C. 12 6 are 72. 72. 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 8. 72. So this is 48. 12 7s are 84. I will erase this because I have to do the calculations. 12 7s are 84. This 16 5s are 80 plus 4. So I can write it as 54. Remember this and this. 12 8s are 96. Okay, how can we write this? 16 6 are 96 plus 0. 12 9s are 108. 16 6 are to 96. 16, yeah, you have to use this only. 16 6 are 96. Okay, then you have 4 plus 8 12. C, 6C. Right, 12 10s are 120. 16 into 7, 112 plus 8, 78. Okay, so this is the multiplication table of 12. So let us see if it is right. So this one, C. C 18, 24, 18, 24. Next you have 33C, 48, 33C, 48. Next you have 12 7s are 54, 60, 60. 54, 60, 60, 78. So this is the multiplication table of 12. I have showed you how to derive this. Okay. So now let us take the division. So ECE .4E divided by 12. So how we are going to perform the division? It is like this. So now see E. So you have to see where it is less than E. C is less than E, right? C is less than E. So can I write 1? So C. What is this? It is 14, 12, 2. Next I'll take 2C. So C, 2C. 2C, 24 is less than 2C, right? So 12 3s are 24. So 12 minus 4 is 8. I'll take this now. 8E. Where is 8E? 8E. Next see 12 into 11. Okay. We will take the multiplication table from here so that it will be easier for us. You have to solve it. See. This is 10. 84. Okay. 84. 84, that is 12 into 11, right? So 84, I'll write as it is. This is B. So this is 14 minus 4, 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. So we have A. Now we have point, right point. Take this here, A4. So now A4. Again, you have to go back to the table. A4. This is A8. We cannot go for this. You have to go for this 9C. So this is 11, this is 12, this is 13. So write till 15, okay? Not till only 10. Better write till 15 because hexadecimal, right? Otherwise you will be stuck in this position. So better write till 15. Okay, so here I took only 10 values, that's why I had to refer to the table. Better complete this and write it. Okay, so we got it. I will take this here. See, 9C is, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, right? 9C. 13, so it is D. Subtract this now. So you cannot subtract 4, so C from 4, so I will take a borrow from here, which is equal to 16, 16 for 20, 20 minus 12 is 8. Next is 8E, 8E, where is 8E? Is there anything close to that? 84, once again it is 11, okay, once again it is 11, 84, 8E minus 84, so this is 14 minus 4, 10, write it A. So this continues, so this is 130, 13B point dB is the answer, 13B point dB. So similarly you can consider this, because I have given the 12 only, so complete this table, 12 into 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 12, 14, 12, 15, okay, then see which is near to this. Suppose you have EC, okay, first you can directly go for C, because C is less than E, so start with 1, okay. Here what you can do is FACE, okay, FACE divided by 12, so now you know the multiplication table. For this I can write 1 and this is C. 15 minus 12 is 3, I will take this 3A, so what happens, where is 3A? 3C is greater than 3A, but 30 is there, right? So go for 4, write 30, 10, so this is A, take this AC, see which is less than AC. Any value less than AC, you have to refer to the table and write down, okay. So write the multiplication table, otherwise you will be stuck here, you will not be knowing like what I should multiply with 12 to get AC. So if you have the table ready, then you can refer, you can see which value from this table is less. If you are getting 28, you can see this table and you can see 24 is less than 28. That means I have to multiply by 3. Then I will take 24, then I will subtract this and I will get 4. So suppose now I got 4E, next value. So you have to refer to the table. So now you can see 48 is less than 4E. So multiply it with 6. Okay, so this is how the quotient is formed in the hexadecimal division. So just try this. Okay, so this completes hexadecimal addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.